another episode of our favorite, we can kind of call it our own show now, testing weird kitchen items. Today I have like 5 items. Our first product is this diamond shaped ice tray. This has the potential to look so cool because imagine कि when we fill transparent water in this and जब वो जम के बाहर निकलेगा, it would look like an actual clear diamond. तो कोई भी ड्रिंक पे डालने में या ऐसे यूज करने में उसको बहुत मजा आएगा, बहुत ही फैंसी फीलिंग आ सकता है. So this is the ice tray. It has come in 2 parts. Let's see how this executes. I'm not very sure how this works. Let's fill these two on this side and let's put up the top half. So I want to test what method works better, directly filling the whole thing from top or filling the bottom half first and then filling the rest of the top. Let's see how that turns out. Let's just put it in the freezer and check it in another 15 minutes. It's time to test our diamonds. About to open it. Side से ऐसे है टैब खोलने के लिए. Oh, it's very hard. I think नीचे का अलग से आएगा बाहर. Whoa! It's stuck in the end. And this is one of our diamond. इतना रियल नहीं लग रहा है जितना मैंने सोचा था लगेगा. Also ये 15-20 मिनट में नहीं हुआ, इसलिए मैंने इसको एक पूरे दिन के लिए छोड़ा. शायद उस वजह से ये एक्स्ट्रा क्रिस्टल हो गया है. And probably with Ruh Afza, it will look like rubies. So this product gets a definite thumbs up. Now our second product is a very handy dandy kind of an eco-friendly thing in spite of being plastic. It is this portable little cutlery set which has a folding fork, a folding spoon and my favorite folding chopsticks. So if I'll have this with me then I can keep using the same chopsticks and not use disposable ones. I can also have my tiffin box with chopsticks. So you know chopsticks का advantage क्या होता है कि तुम धीरे धीरे खाते हो and when you eat धीरे धीरे your digestion happens at a normal rate and you don't end up overeating because the body needs like 15 to 20 minutes to signal your brain कि okay पेट भर गया है. अगर धीरे धीरे खाता है तो इसलिए वो सिग्नल जल्दी पहुंचता है compared to when you just finish your whole sandwich in like 5 minutes. And it's fun to brag in front of friends कि मुझे आता है. क्या तुम्हें आता है? नहीं, मैं सिखाती हूँ. Let's see if it's actually efficient and if the fork keeps shutting or not. जो कबाब मिलने वाला fork आता था वैसा नहीं होना चाहिए बस. Okay, so this is the packaging. I like it. So let's slide it open. Very sleek, I have to say. There were color options: pink, green, blue and orange. I went for the green one. So there's a button right here and when we press that button, this opens and this is our cutlery set. So there's half a fork and half a spoon right here and then there are the rest of the things here. I think there are 4 green things and 4 black things. So each black thing goes on one green thing is what I feel because all the green handles are exactly the same. There's a hole right here, there's a knob here. That's a fork because it's like this. ऐसे bend नहीं होगा खाते खाते and I think this is pretty sturdy. Hard चीज़ें खाते वक्त टूट नहीं जाएगा like those eco-friendly forks. I really appreciate the eco-friendly forks, but even the plastic ones would break अगर तुम कुछ कड़क खाने का try करो तो. So this will not let that happen. And now every time when you order from Zomato, Swiggy, you can tick the don't send cutlery mark even if you're outside because you have your own set. But I really want to test the chopsticks, so let's try them out. Wait, let's detach this first. Not that bad. I mean, अगर sturdy चीज़ चाहिए तो इतना effort तो लगाना पड़ेगा इसमें. Our chopstick. Okay. So to prevent the pieces from falling from the box, they have given exact groove placements out here. So fork को इधर press करने के बाद, ideally it should not fall down. And voila, it won't fall. So you can easily shut this container without facing the difficulty कि अरे यहाँ से भी गिरा वहाँ से भी गिरा. And we've got both our chopsticks. They are actually pretty heavy compared to the disposable chopsticks, but then that's because they are a more heavy duty material, but they are very comfortable to hold. So I'll just give a quick tutorial, okay? To hold the chopsticks, middle finger in the middle, index finger on the top chopstick, एंड जो बाकी दोनों फिंगर है वो नीचे. सो थंब और इंडेक्स फिंगर के बीच में ऊपर वाला चॉपस्टिक होना चाहिए. तो यू शुड इजीली बी एबल टू मूव द अपर चॉपस्टिक विद योर इंडेक्स फिंगर एंड योर थंब. एंड नीचे का चॉपस्टिक ना कभी ऐसे मूव नहीं होता, सिर्फ ऊपर का चॉपस्टिक मूव होता है. दिस इज माई ओन टेक्निक. प्लीज डोंट कम फॉर मी कि दिस इज नॉट द राइट टेक्निक. दिस इज हाउ आई कैन ईट विद चॉपस्टिक्स. जस्ट टू डेमोन्स्ट्रेट, होल्ड इट लाइक दैट. बट आइडियली क्या करना होता है पता है? नूडल्स जब खाना होता है ना, चॉपस्टिक्स को साथ में पकड़ो, डिग देम इन द नूडल्स, रोटेट देम एंड देन यू पिक इट अप लाइक दिस. क्योंकि नूडल्स आर स्लिपरी ना, तो वो स्लिप हो जाएंगे वरना. कमिंग टू आवर किट, इट डेफिनेटली डज गेट अ थम्स अप क्योंकि यार बहुत सही चीज़ है. चॉपस्टिक्स भी है, फोक और स्पून भी है, सिर्फ नाइफ नहीं है. सो इफ यू आर द रेगुलर मास्टर शेफ ईटर, यू माइट फेस अ लिटिल प्रॉब्लम इन दैट फ्रंट, बट आई एम वेरी हैप्पी विद दिस सेट एंड आई डू गिव इट a thumbs up. Our third item is something I'm really looking forward to. It's this knife, kind of like a knife, yeah, but it's not super sharp. So McCain ने ना नए fries निकाले called crazy fries. और लोग कैसे रहते हैं मालूम? वो crinkly रहते हैं. I think even Burger King or some fast food chain does that by now. So if I can manage to use this, I can actually make crinkly fries at home. And the reason I like them is because उसमें edges ज़्यादा होते हैं ना, they become more crispy. We can also use this to cut carrots and zucchini and roast them. But of course वो theory में अच्छा लगता है. So we are going to test this on potato. Now it's time to test if we can make fries. I've washed a potato, don't worry. मुझे ना skin पसंद है potato की, इसलिए मैंने निकाली नहीं है. Not bad for the first go. Not bad. मुझे चिप्स का रिमाइंड कर रहा है. वो पैकेट में वेफर्स आते हैं ना, ये थोड़ा मोटा करने का ट्राई करती हूँ. This came out well. तो अब इसको और काटते हैं. These look so good. These are exactly like what I used to get in the packet. Now we can place them all atop each other. Yay. So needless to say, this knife gets a big thumbs up, and you know why? Because जब मैं ये ready-made packet वाले लेती हूँ ना, जो मुझे फ्राई करने होते हैं, they are expensive. तो ऐसे 2 पैकेट लेने के बदले तो मुझे ये नाइफ ही मिल गया घर पे, and I can have fresh crinkly fries. This worked so well. Big thumbs up. You've got to try this. Item number 4, I actually bought keeping my mother in mind. So my mom goes grocery shopping 99% of the times. I rarely manage to go with her, and she comes back with so many bags. So this is supposed to help her by giving her a more comfortable grip. So that is why I'm hoping we can test it on her only. Otherwise, we'll accumulate a lot of grocery bags and test it on ourselves. We have some makeshift grocery bags. Now, not only are these grocery bags, my mom has actually put workout के weights in this because इतना सारा सामान है नहीं घर पे आज, तो she's like कि 2 किलो सब्जी तो मैं लेती हूँ, तो मम्मी ने 2 किलो का weight डाल दिया अंदर. So individually क्या होता है कि when you are carrying so many bags, इतने छोटे छोटे holes होते हैं, so it becomes difficult to carry all this. So this is supposed to help. So let's test it out. So now that we have it in hand, we have a button over here. So we can insert the bags in there. But बहुत छोटी सी जगह है यार, मतलब बड़े bags जाएंगे कैसे यहाँ से? Okay, I see how that works. So handle को ना flat करके अंदर डालना पड़ेगा. लेकिन बंद नहीं हुआ अपने आप. दबाना पड़ता है तब जाके बंद होता है. But इसका grip definitely काफी बड़ा है. This is 110% more comfortable than holding the छोटू holes of the bag. And I think you can put it here also. Not bad to be honest. I do see a functionality for this, but did you just see what happened? मैंने accidentally यहाँ से पकड़ा और ये खुल गया. So what I'm worried is कि this lock might not last very long. What if the bags accidentally turn up to be here? That happened. Okay. Not sure about the verdict. is this squeezy oil brush. Now this is supposed to help us with using less oil while cooking our food. So what we have to do is we have to fill this bottle with oil or whatever we use for cooking. If you use ghee, you could put ghee in it. And then when we shut this, we are supposed to squeeze it thoda sa and just grease your pan or anything that you're cooking with this. So you could grease your baking trays with this, with butter. There's a lot of uses for this provided this works. So let's find that out. So now we have our squeezy oil bottle for brushing our pan. Now the only thing that concerns me is कि इसमें से oil leak नहीं होना चाहिए बस. So let's see how airtight it is. So to open it, we have to unscrew it ऐसा rotate करना है, and then we're going to take our oil bottle. And now we screw the lid back on. इसके अनलिमिटेड रोटेशंस नहीं हो रहे, वो जब लूज हो जाता है और रोटेट ही करता रहता है ना, वैसा तो नहीं हो रहा. Now let's tilt it and check if it leaks. No, यहाँ से तो लीक नहीं हो रहा बट आगे से निकल रहा है, even without squeezing. So that's a worry. So now all that I'm doing is running the brush क्योंकि तेल अपने आप निकल रहा है. मैं नहीं चाहती कि और तेल निकले, फिर भी निकले जा रहा है. That's our pan greased. So we kind of have our first fail because number one, I'm not able to control the amount of oil that I'm pouring in the pan because oil अपने आप ही गिर रहा है if I put this upside down. See, number two, I am not sure कि sides में से leak हो रहा है कि नहीं because there is a gap and there's oil everywhere on the gap. So there is a possibility that it's probably leaking from the sides as well. Number three, my whole hand is so oily right now. Although it's spreading the oil well in the pan, I think a normal silicone brush is better for that purpose. So this product unfortunately gets a thumbs down. So this was us trying more weird and fun and quirky items for the kitchen. If you want to buy anything, then the links will be down below. And if you enjoyed watching this, then that makes me very happy, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Until then, goodbye!